Before entering into actual video, let me just give you an introduction about us. We are Endurance Engineering Academy. We offer online video course for GATE exam preparation. Okay, and also we offer full video course for GATE XC. Okay, so if you are planning for writing XC, you can visit our website for our full video course. This is our website link, and you can see this link in the description also. And you can call us at this number, or you can WhatsApp us. We will be getting back to you with the required if you have any queries, or else you can message your queries to our mail ID support at endurancengacademy.in. Okay, let us proceed for the video. Hello all. So here in this video, I'm going to talk about a few important tips which a student has to follow when they are writing test. Okay, so it is not like when you are writing online test or a mock test or GATE exam. This is something which is common for all the test. Okay, see, one thing before starting the video itself, I'm going to say these are the few steps which you need to follow when you are writing the first test itself. When you are starting to write the first test, from that test itself, you should try to follow this. Okay, why I'm saying this? Because whatever you are doing it in the test which you are writing in your home or in your hostel, the same type of habit only you will be getting in the final exam also. So you need to get habituated to it by making yourself more disciplined when you are writing the exam. And there are few things which you need to follow so that it can what I could say, the same thing which you are following now will be followed during your final GATE exam also. So overall, these steps which I'm going to give you, it's like something which you can follow from now itself. Suppose if you are going to write a test today, try to implement it from today itself. Okay, right. So what is the thing? My first and foremost and very, very important suggestion is maintaining your confidence. Okay, confidence maintenance means don't think that I'm going like don't think that yeah, I can solve this exam, something like this exam is like a jujube for me, I will just go and I will do it. Please don't take that type of attitude with yourself when you are going to write the exam. The attitude should be something like, yes, I did my best, whatever I can do, I did it, I tried my best, I studied whatever possible from my side, I put my effort. Now I will try to execute whatever I did, whatever I studied, whatever I prepared, I will try to execute it, and then I will try to write the exam as of my best. Don't think that you are the best or don't think that you are the best. Both are actually not true. Okay, see, it's something like you have to maintain your confidence level, but it should not go to overconfident and it should not reach your under confidence level also. So it has to be like a confidence level such that you will feel that you are giving your best. I'm like, you are not feeling like, it's not like there is no reason to feel yourself more inferior, or there is no reason for you to feel more superior. You need to feel that yes, you are you. You have to give best of yourself. So that is what I will say that maintaining confidence means. Maintaining confidence means it's not the attitude which you are showing, yeah, this is what I am, I can do this, I can do that. No. You have to maintain the confidence level correctly. Try to be humble and try to give your best. Okay. So, but I can say it as a wording, but practically how can we maintain it during the exam? See, you might have studied everything, 10 subject, 12 subject, whatever it is there, each and every concept you would have studied. But of course, in the GATE exam or the test series which you are going to write, whatever it is, they are going to ask some difficult questions, maybe some 10 to 15% of difficult question. Suppose if you are going to attack a question, and if that question was more difficult, which means the question level is bit high, which is not very easy for you to solve at the beginning itself. Okay, at the beginning itself, you won't have a higher confidence level or you won't have a lower confidence level also. You will be having, like, you would have just entered the examination hall, right? So at the beginning itself, if you start seeing the difficult question, then ultimately you will start feeling inferior, which means whatever the effort which you made, you'll start feeling that, oh my god, I made this much effort but I'm not able to execute it properly, right? So those types of feelings will be there. So to avoid that, so the word which you need to be more concerned about is momentum. See, what is mean by this momentum? Why we have to concern about momentum when I'm writing exam? See, don't think much. Okay, so everyone already know about this momentum, but the most familiar thing which we used to hear nowadays is the word momentum in our cricket commentary, right? Of course, I'm not going to talk about the science behind it. Okay, I'm just going to talk about the general sense, general meaning. So momentum, what does it mean by momentum? You have to maintain your momentum in your exam. So what does it mean? Very simple. What actually we used to see in our cricket commentary, like suppose if one team started to dominate the other team, automatically we used to say that yes, the momentum is shifting from this team to other team, so their momentum is developing. So what actually mean? They are moving correctly in their direction. Okay, so automatically if you start feeling that you are moving in a correct direction, your confidence level will increase. So for maintaining your confidence level, the one and only thing is to maintain your momentum. How to do that? Simple. Suppose if you are answering a question and you are not able to answer it, of course it is a bit difficult. Okay, fine. Going for the next question, that is also not possible to answer. Okay, move forward to another question. That is also not possible to answer, which means automatically your confidence level will increase, which automatically means that, which automatically says that I'm not going in the right path. Actually, there are some problem with in my path. Okay, I'm not doing the questions correctly, which obviously means that I'm not going to perform well. No, it's not that. You didn't answer the 3 questions correctly. So what you need to do? Choose a question randomly. Choose some question randomly. The question which you feel that which is very simple. Choose that very simple question and do it. Of course, if it is a very simple question and if the concept is very clear for you, you will be answering it correctly. You will get an answer. Move to next question, do it. Maybe you would have done the next question also correctly, right? Move for the next question, maybe that question also correctly. So this is what I will be calling it as momentum. Suppose if you are losing momentum in your exam hall, that is if you are not able to answer some 3, 4 or 5 questions continuously, try to shift the momentum towards yourself by doing some easier questions which you are very confident about. If you start doing easier question, you will start feeling that yes, I am still in the exam, I am still able to crack it. You will be solving a question. See, it is something like it's human mentality, right? If you are solving some difficult question, if you are not able to solve, automatically you will start feeling a fear, pressure, everything will result in underconfident. So during that time only, I just want you to try and do the easier questions continuously, some 4 or 5 questions. Try to do an easier question, because we know that we have that question palette. We can randomly choose any question as you want. So you can go for a question which is very easier for you, try to do it, and if you did it correctly, automatically you will start gaining momentum. Go for next question, again start gaining momentum. That is what I said about it. So this is how you need to develop when you are losing your momentum, when you are in a stage of underconfidence, right? So, but generally my suggestion or like what I used to do was, I used to attempt core subject questions initially, and whenever I feel that okay, I'm losing the momentum, I'm feeling some underconfident, then I will shift towards aptitude, because aptitude questions are comparatively easier. So I will shift towards aptitude, that is logical reasoning and the quants. I will try to attack those questions. Once if I gain confidence, once if I feel that okay, I'm doing it, the momentum was good, and I will again shift to core subject and I will start doing the question. The beauty of this particular method is that is attacking easier question when you are facing difficulty. Okay, so when you are facing difficulty to do some 3 question or 4 question consistently, attacking easier question will increase your confidence, right? The beauty of this is, once if you complete all the easy question, and at the end of the exam, if you go back to the question which you felt that it is difficult at the beginning of the exam. At the beginning of the exam, you are feeling some questions are difficult, some 5-6 questions which you suffered. But now at the end of the exam, after completing all the easier questions, that is after gaining some very good confidence, very good momentum, if you are going back to the difficult question, I'm damn sure that you will be able to solve the question. Because the reason is very simple. You already did some 40 or 50 questions. You already solved some 40, 50 questions. So one thing is, you don't have any pressure. You won't have any pressure, because I solved 40, 50. So by solving maybe you can keep that like some 7 or 8 questions only remaining. So even if I don't do the 7 or 8 question also, you will have some confidence. Yes, I did some 40-50 questions. Okay, so by that your pressure would have reduced. Okay, your pressure would have reduced, and you will be in that flow. Okay, you will be in that flow of solving. So automatically, out of, like, for example, if you are leaving some 7 questions, in that 7 also there are possibility for you to attempt some 4 or 5 questions. You can able to attempt it, and you can able to answer it also. Possibility is there. So that is my suggestion which I need to give it. I already made few videos on many topics, but I thought that this is going to be very helpful. The complete, what I could say, the juice which I wanted to deliver to you is very simple. Don't stick with one question and don't fight. Don't fight with a question and don't say that I'm not able to solve. Don't keep on sticking with one question or two question. Go for easier question, attack it. If you get a right answer, automatically your confidence will increase. Automatically you can come back and you can see that. When you come back and when you see that, that time that question will be very easy. The difficult question will be easy for you. Okay, so the thing is, try to develop your momentum when you are writing the exam. So try to plan it accordingly. See, this again, theoretically I can say, but practically for executing it, you cannot do it at the end of like when you are directly going and when you are writing your gate exam. That time you cannot do it. If you want to do this, you have to practice it. For practicing it, you need to attempt many tests, and when you are attempting many tests, during all the time you need to try to use this strategy or use this tips. Okay. So that's all about this video. So actually I don't want to what I could say, make a large video, because I just want to make a video in a short manner. So in this video I'm just going to share this tip. We'll meet in the next video.